You are going to love the 2017 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, stability control, tire pressure monitor, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.